Oh, Tata Daddy. Oh, Tata Daddy. Thank you. You got more?
In just a minute.
Oh, that's big and heavy. Tata Daddy. Thank you. Good job.
I want to do it. No, you know what? Mommy's going
I want to do it. What else we got here? Oh, yeah. Good. Tata Daddy. Thank you. Good job. Can you get a hold of that? That's big. What do you think? You grab it. Oh, it's tough to get your hand around.
Do it.
You try this one.
That one. Do it. Oh, phew.
No? You got something else for me?